Welcome to Court Helicopter Explainer. Today, we are looking at the Tuju story. Is there any law in the getting lost and getting found of your Tuju? One, Tuju is going to be charged. He's going to be arrested and be charged for contravening Section 129 of the Penal Code. One, why will Tuju be arrested? Tuju went and reported to the police that his life was in danger and he was being trailed. The police went ahead and started investigations. On Saturday, Tuju's family goes back to the police and report that he has gone missing. This is information, two informations given to public officers. One, was Tuju really being followed? The first time he reported the report to the police station and was given an OB number. If it will be found that Tuju was not being followed, he'll be arrested and charged that he has offended Section 129 of the Penal Code. Two, his family members went and reported. When they reported that Tuju has gone missing, the police must have put all resources available to track Tuju. Politicians made it a campaign tool. The state was being seen as a state that abducts its own citizens. Senior newspapers carried headlines that Tuju was abducted. The name of His Excellency the President was mentioned, but he is the one who has abducted Tuju. And the government was in hot pursuit from the opposition and from citizens of the country. When the DCI went yesterday to look for Tuju after the complaint, the DCI has posted in his official website that Tuju's family refused the DCI access to the house. Was the DCI having intelligence that Tuju was inside the house? Why did they refuse to open to the DCI? Can anybody refuse to open the house to the DCI when it is you who has gone to complain that Tuju has gotten lost? Any criminal mind started reading mischief yesterday that Tuju might not have been abducted. Today, Tuju has come out saying he is the one who drove and a vehicle that was unmarked followed him. He parked the vehicle with his aide or driver and they disappeared and hid. They kept the DCI and they kept the country at tenterhooks without going to the police. When you are running away from thugs or abductors, the safest place to go is to the police. Tuju never went to the police. He has surfaced today, Monday, saying he went hiding. Yet he had given the police information under Section 129. Tuju will be charged under this offense. What does the law say? Section 129. False information to a person employed in the public service. Whoever gives to any person employed in the public service any information which he knows or believes to be false, intending thereby to cause or knowing it to be likely that he will thereby cause the person employed in the public service, here being the police, to do or omit anything which the person employed in the public service employed in the public service ought not to do or omit if the true state of facts respecting which such information is given were known to him, or B, to use the lawful power of the person employed in the public service to the injury or annoyance of any person is guilty of a misdemeanor and is liable to imprisonment for 3 years. So Tuju is likely to be arrested because the law is not on him, and it is a misdemeanor. He'll be jailed for 3 years. Remember this story. Court helicopter carried the explainer on Indiangoi. When the family Indiangoi went hiding, the family of Indiangoi went to the Law Society of Kenya. They filed a petition for habeas corpus, and the court was so hard on the police, the DCI, to produce Ndiang'oi. Later, Ndiang'oi surfaced that he was hiding. This is a trend that can bring this country into a standstill. This is a trend, if not checked, it can bring disharmony in the country. And therefore, Wakili Omari is not saying Tuju has no legal recourse. Tuju is likely, and that is what we are saying, he is likely to be arrested and be charged under Section 129. He will have his day in court and he'll defend himself. Wakili Danson Omari, always bringing it to you, topical as it comes. I know you trust Court Helicopter to give you the true position of the law. Keep watching as the Tuju story unfolds in court tomorrow. At Court Helicopter will definitely be in court to cover the proceedings. Thank you.